little bit of a late start today. Not really gonna hit that morning bite because the sun's already pretty far up. It's very windy out here though, which is makes me optimistic about the fishing day today, because fish usually bite more in the wind, but it's gonna be a little bit more difficult to make accurate casts. So we'll see how today goes. I'll get back to you with some fish. Little guy on that worm. It is difficult to fish in winds like this. This guy already got stuck at some point. Somebody else. Alright, so one really good tip when fishing in the wind like this is keep your cast as low to the water as possible, and you always keep your rod. So if I'm making a cast like up here, like the wind killed that. It knocks it down, swings it to the right or left. But if I keep a cast low to the ground, like that, maybe even skip it a little bit, and then keep my rod low to the water, it'll be easier to work the bait without the wind interfering too much. This is especially important when using soft plastics during the day like this. Fishing's pretty good. I got one right now, so. This is a little one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Not that little.
There are some really big ones in these ponds.
So what is it?
It's a largemouth bass.
Really?
Yeah.
So I'm not going to get in trouble riding in here, am I? The golf course is closed, correct?
I don't get in trouble fishing in here, and I do get in trouble fishing on the other golf course, so I don't think you will. People have been coming through here walking their dogs, riding their bikes all day.
Yeah.
Could be a good fish. Could be a good fish. Could be a good fish. Oh, pretty good fish, pretty good fish. Not a bad one, not a bad one. Oh, flip it. Mmm. 2 pounder right there, 2.5. Could be a good fish up in Philly. Down here, it's about average. Another one. Oh, this one feels big. Oh, whoa, this one feels really big. Oh, he's big, he's big. Oh, another jump. This is the best pond on this property, man. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I might want to get a weight on that one. Could be a 4 pounder. I'm gonna get a weight on him. My shit's all the way down there. Nah. He's not a 5, so I'm gonna just call him a 4 pounder. pretty nice fish right there. Largemouth bass.
What's that?
Which, excuse me?
What's that?
It's a largemouth bass.
2 pounds.
I would say 3, 4, more than 2, 3. Yeah, it's a pretty big one.
Nice looking. I thought that was fun, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
Is that the biggest one you caught here? I see that there.
No. There's one pond that's like that way where I caught a 6-pounder the other day. So
How about that pond over there at Kid back there in the corner?
I tried that yesterday. It wasn't that good, but I mean, I might try it again today since it's so close to this one.
Yeah.
This one is like surprisingly really good.
Must be all that grass bed.
Yeah, I think it's all the grass beds.
Yeah.
What's up, puppy?
I just...
All right, one good tip about fishing in the wind is that you should use non-plastic baits. You should use like jerk baits, crankbaits, because the fish are supposedly active in the wind, and those are good baits that combat the wind in terms of like detecting the bite. You can just reel them in a straight line or twitch them in a straight line. I'm currently unable to do that because I'm fishing a really grassy pond, so fishing a lure with treble hooks wouldn't really work. But if you force to fish a grassy pond or a pond with a lot of lily pads or something, throw a heavier soft plastic with a weight. Don't go weightless or anything, so you really won't be able to cast at all. There's otters right here. Oh shit, that's sick. Oh, it's so cute. Yes, finally. I caught a fish. Finally caught a fish. It's been hours. Well, it's been at least an hour and a half. Oh, thank God. What a beauty. What a beauty on the J-Bug. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed this video about, I just did a lot of fishing, but gave a couple of tips about fishing in the wind specifically. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, check out our other videos, and please, as always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.